The passage says, archaeologists believe that the pieces of red ware pottery excavated recently near Bhavnagar and dash shed light on a hitherto dark 600-year period in the Harappan history of Gujarat. Now, this is a grammar-based question. What we need is a statement that must fit into this blank, or rather a phrase that must fit into this blank. And we have different phrasings of the same phrase. Let's look at the options. A says, estimated with a reasonable certainty as being about 3,400 years old. This is incorrect. We have the keyword estimated, then the word as being is used with it. If we remove the part in the middle with a reasonable certainty, this would read as estimated as being about 3,400 years old. But that's not how the construction would be. Grammatically speaking, we must use the word to with estimated. Estimated to be so many years old. As is a comparative which doesn't fit with the word estimated. So this construction by grammar is incorrect. We can eliminate A. Option B says, are estimated reasonably certain to be about 3,400 years old. This is definitely incorrect because we see estimated reasonably certain. First off, we place reasonably certain here. Estimated to is correct, but reasonably certain is the wrong usage. What we need here is certainly, or reasonably certainly to be about 3,400 years old, or you would have estimated with reasonable certainty to be about 3,400 years old. So yet again, by construction, this word has been used incorrectly. So we can eliminate B. Option C tells us estimated at about 3,400 years old with reasonable certainty. We see estimated at is slightly better. It is not incorrect, but with reasonable certainty placed here creates a problem of modifier. It makes a modifier error. More than that, the placing of with reasonable certainty is not in question here. So that is not something we need to change. That makes this mostly redundant. C can be eliminated. D says estimated with reasonable certainty to be about 3,400 years old. This is quite perfect. Estimated to be is the correct usage, and with reasonable certainty. So estimated, comma, with reasonable certainty, comma, to be about 3,400 years old is quite perfect. With a reasonable certainty, with a reasonable certainty is also incorrect, as we now realize. So this gets all the points correct. It gets the construction correct. So we can qualify D. That is the correct answer.